Hey, welcome back to Tech by Pike. Today we are unboxing a Razer 14-inch gaming laptop. This has the Ryzen 5900HX, 16 gigabytes of RAM, has an RTX 3080, can get to 100 watts. It has 1 terabyte SSD. We're going to unbox this. We're going to take a look at the chassis and then the internals and then some final thoughts. And did I mention it was a 14-inch gaming laptop? Wow. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, let's open up this big box here. Pretty big for it to be just a 14-inch gaming laptop. Alright, well that's interesting. So a box within the box. Wonder how safe that is. Huh. Well, the box doesn't look damaged, so it must be okay. And we'll bring this in. Okay. Got some tape stuck to me here. Let's go ahead and unbox this too. Okay. So, looks like we got the power brick and cable. We'll set that off to the side. And then we got the main event here, which is the laptop. Okay, we're going to open up the cables first here. Kind of messing with me a little bit. There. Now, the brick. So this is a 230 watt, just like mine for my Razer 15 Advance with an RTX 2080 Super. Okay. Go green with Razer. Recyclable packaging. Alright, there's the laptop. Oh boy, that looks nice. Let's open up the propaganda first. And we got ourselves some stickers here. Got ourselves a little wiper there, which you need with Razers because they are fingerprint magnets. Thank you for choosing a Razer. Well, thank you very much. And let's open this guy up. You know, I never really do anything with these stickers. I should this time though. Alright, we'll just pop that back in the box and I'll deal with it later. Alright. Hopefully it'll make a nice sound here. Oh yeah, I like that. It's kind of sticky. Boy, that is really nice. That is one wide bezel there. Nice big mouse trackpad here. Like it a lot. Alright. Already the fingerprints are starting to collect on this laptop, and I've only had it for about 5 minutes. Let's take a quick look at it. There's really very little flex on the top lid. If we go to the side here and open it up, do it with one finger, sort of kind of, my desk is slippery. There's very little screen wobble there, if you can see that. USB-C, USB-A, HDMI, Kensington lock, and then the power port, USB-A, USB-C, and then the headphone microphone jack. You flip it over, has the two intakes there with venting. So the keyboard itself, it feels a little bit mushy. It's a little bit different than my 15-inch, so and I'm not sure I like it. Very rigid on the keyboard, very little flex. Mouse pad is nice. I really like that. Good travel. There's no flex. You got the speakers here, upward facing. This has the QHD 165 Hertz panel, 2560 by 1440. It's a matte display. And I'm still not too sure about this big bezel right here. It feels like they could kind of bring that down and give it a little more screen, but that might be a little unfortunate. We don't know about the webcam yet, but we will take a look at that later. So far so good. I really like this. Good quality build. Okay, let's quickly weigh this laptop. By the way, I really like the CNC aluminum chassis, this unibody with the black anodized. That is really sharp. Although I've seen it before with my other Razer laptops, but every time I see it, I just can't. It's fantastic. The weight of the laptop by itself is 3 pounds, 14.4 ounces, and then once you add the power brick and the cable, it comes out to 5 pounds, 9.2 ounces. And I will also add that this is 0.66 inches thick. Very small. Here's another comparison with the lids open. As you can see, mine has a dbrand skin throughout the entire outside of the laptop. In this review, I'm not going to crack open the laptop so we can take a look at the internals. We've seen it before on other reviews, so I'm just going to go out to the website here and we'll talk a little bit about what's inside this laptop. So like I said before, it has an AMD Ryzen 5000 series, RTX 3080, it's 100 watts max, and that is the Max Q version. The AMD Ryzen 5900 comes with 8 core, 16 threads, max boost up to 4.6 gigahertz, 20 megabytes of cache. Our laptop, like I said, comes with an NVIDIA RTX 3080. There is a 3070 and 3060 version of this laptop. Both come with 16, all three of them come with 16 gigabytes of RAM, and they're all soldered to the motherboard, so no opportunity of upgrading there, which is unfortunate. Different than from the other 14-inch gaming laptop, the Asus 14-inch gaming laptop. It does have vapor chamber cooling, liquid vapor cooling, 88 fan blades. So you can take a look at it there. This comes with 1 terabyte SSD and the Wi-Fi card. But like I said, no opportunity to upgrade the memory. The laptop boasts up to 12 hours of battery life. I'm guessing that is light productivity and web surfing. I highly doubt 12 hours of battery life during gaming is possible. The screen comes with QHD 165 Hz. There is an FHD 144 Hz panel as well. AMD FreeSync, and there is no muck switch on this laptop. Here's the I/O again, Type-C, 3.10 Gen 2, Type-A, 3.2 Gen 2, HDMI 2.1 up to 4K, 120 Hz, has a Kensington lock, power port, and 3.5 millimeter combo microphone and earphone jack. The Type-C and the HDMI both bypass the processor and directly line up to the graphics card. So you might get better performance if you use an external when gaming. The new Razer Blade 14-inch gaming laptop. I really think this laptop has a fantastic quality of build, just like all the other Razer Blades that I have reviewed or had over the years. Has the CNC unibody with the black anodized, with the green serpent on the top of the lid. I think is still pretty sharp looking. The AMD processor with the RTX 3080 and the 16 gigabytes of RAM with solid state drive. We'll see how the benchmarking goes in the next video, and we're going to really discover if it's worth the price point that this laptop comes in versus the Asus Zephyrus 14-inch gaming laptop. There's definitely a price difference there, and we'll see if this Razer Blade really is worth the money. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this from Tech by Pike, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. It helps out the channel, gives us an opportunity to bring more videos like this to you. It also gives us an opportunity to get better at these type of reviews, so we appreciate that. Thank you very much, and we'll see you in the next one.